And who are the stakeholders involved in this? Again, very important that we keep the domain subject matter expert very, very important, because those, those people, the specialists, the experienced ones, they know what works and what doesn't, and what changes in terms of business rules. Again, end user, to keep them in terms of our product, how is it shaping, and then try and get the insights from them. The implementation subject matter expert, the solution architect, the solution person who has got the good idea in terms of how we can shape the solution. And the project manager, very important, because sometimes there could be multiple areas that have got an impact on when you change the requirements. So internally, we might want to get the buy-in from the senior management, from the other teams, if we want to get their help as well. So we need to get the project manager involved, and obviously the sponsor, we need to keep them in the loop, because they are responsible for the budget, for the strings of the project, and the customer will pretty much the end user is similar. So again, very important to consider the external stakeholders as well as internal stakeholders, understand what has changed where and when, and then immediately affect and reflect that into the product that we're developing, and see where are the touch points, where are the dependencies, and then work on those related artifacts or the work products, so that we can make the changes immediately.